In the earlier session, we have seen how to implement the combinational circuits using multiplexer. So in this session, we will see how to implement the combinational circuit using decoder. Okay, so let us take two combinational circuit. One is your full adder and full subtractor. Let us see how to incorporate using your decoder circuit. Okay, so now I am going to take the full adder circuit where I have written the sum expression and the carry expression, which is the output of my full adder. Okay, so now in this case I have the variables as 1, 2, 4, 7. That means it is going to come under 0 to 7. So I have to go in for a 3 inputs. Okay, either it is specified here sum of a comma b comma c, or from this right hand side also you can find out whether it is going to be a 3 variable one or a 2 variable one. So in this case I have to have the inputs as 3. Okay, what is the principle of decoder? N is to 2 power n. Okay, so that means 2 power 3. So I have to use a 3 cross 8 decoder. Okay, now let us draw the diagram of your decoder. Okay, so this is IC 74138. Okay, now what is how many inputs I am going to have? I am going to have 3 inputs. So A, B and C. Okay, what is going to be my outputs? Okay, my inputs are going to be Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. Okay, so the outline of your decoder has been drawn. Now we have to just implement the circuit, whatever the expression which has been given here. So now what is the expression for sum? 1, 2, 4 and 7. So you take from 1, 2, 4 and 7. That's all. So take from the corresponding pins and you put a OR gate, then some expression is over. So now we will come for the carry. So in carry it is 3, 5, 6, 7. So it is 3, 5, 6 and 7. So this completes the, if you want you to be more specific, you can put here C in and here you can put it as C out. Okay, so that's all. This completes your full adder circuit. So first see your expression. So decide which decoder you have to put. Either it is going to be a 2 cross 4 or a 3 cross 8. Accordingly, you draw your diagrams, input and output diagrams. Okay, so based on that, whatever is the expression, so you just tap the points from the respective pins and draw the diagram. Okay, now we will see how to implement the full subtractor. So in case of full subtractor, okay, the expression is going to remain the same thing. Either it is going to be a full adder or a full subtractor. The variable is going to be changed as difference. And here, instead of carry out, so it is going to be borrow out. Okay, so now here the expression for your borrow out is nothing but 1, 2, 3 and 7. Okay, so now the same expression. Now this difference, this sum is going to be changed as the difference. Okay, and your borrow out so 1, 2, 3, 7. So it is going to be 1, 2, 3 and so B out. Okay, so now this completes the function of your full subtractor. So thank you. In the next class, we will see how to design a demultiplexer, which is also called as a data distributor. Thank you.